Welcome back to the Zohar Ahmad Chaudhary Cricket Stadium here in Chittagong. We've got a humdinger of a match here. 140 to get for the Chittagong Vikings. Sylhet Superstars got 139 in the innings. It's going to be Tilakaratne Dilshan. And we're watching the second half of match number 18 in the BRB BPL 2015. Sylhet Superstars versus the Chittagong Vikings. Vikings needing 140 in the 20 overs that are going to be played out. And we've got a wonderful crowd here today. The captain of the Chittagong Vikings.
Time for a fresh innings with Center Fresh Chewing Gum.
Needs to be there. Oh my God, his intentions are pretty clear. He's charging down the wicket to the very first ball and trunks it away for 4 runs. What a superstar for the Chittagong Vikings. Very positive with his intent here. Slash it down the wicket. Bang, take that. And coincidentally, the Sylhet Superstars also started off with a boundary. So, game on. Big appeal, pleading appeal. No, says umpire. Anisur Rahman to Mohammad Shahid. He thought that was close. Not to be. Worth another look. Did he say bat? Did it touch the bat, umpire? His thigh was going over, it seems. And was it pitching in line? Maybe just outside, angling away. A good decision from the umpire, I thought there. Yeah, just sailing over. Flap of the pad, but it's on its way up and seemed to be angling away. Down the wicket. Sees him coming. Bowls it short. Good bowling from Mohammad Shahid. So we've got a fiery start here in this innings. Support here for the Chittagong Vikings, the local team. They need to win this to stay in contention for the top 4 places. Jam-packed Zohar Ahmad Chaudhary Stadium. What a sight. Brilliant to see under the floodlights. It's all on. We are going to have a whale of a match. Mohammad Shahid. Charge! Gets on another one. Gets another one. 1 bounce to the boundary. Take that. The crowd erupts. Tamim Iqbal is on fire. How about that? This is exhilarating stuff. But you don't want to get carried away because Mohammad Shahid is a wily bowler. He will pitch one up. He is a pretty much wicket-to-wicket bowler. A little flustered. He can make a good comeback. There you are. Right. Checks a shot. Mohammad Shahid is a real workhorse. Such a wicket-to-wicket bowler, but Tamim Iqbal taking the attack to Mohammad Shahid right from the word go. 10th match for him. Wicks on it, swings it round, swings it to the boundary. What a start. First over.
ভাই ঘানি কই?
আরে এইটার নামে দিছি আমরা গানি। বাজারে গানির নামে যেই তেল খান, এইটাই সেইটা।
তো চারিদিকে নোংরা আর তেল তো কালো কেন ভাই?
কালো হইলেই তো গানি গানি মনে হয়।
ঘানি ভাঙা তেলের মিথ্যা আশ্বাস নয়। সর্বাধুনিক স্বয়ংক্রিয় মেশিনে সেরা দানা থেকে প্রস্তুত। রাধুনী খাঁটি সরিষার তেল। সেরা দানার সেরা তেল।
এখন না ভাইয়া, ফ্লাইট ধরতে হবে। চিপস দাও না।
হারিয়ে যায় বম্বে সুইটসের আলুজ 4টি ফ্লেভারে।
সম্মানিত যাত্রী মাহমুদুল্লাহ রিয়াজ, আপনাকে ছাড়াই আমাদের চলে যেতে হচ্ছে।
দর্শনের মধ্যে 9 জন নারী বিশ্বাস করে ড্যান্ড্রফ ফিরে আসবে। আর না, নিউট্রিয়াম 10 যুক্ত নতুন ক্লিয়ার অ্যাক্টিভেট করে আপনার স্ক্যাল্পের স্বাভাবিক সুরক্ষা স্তর আর আপনাকে রাখে ড্যান্ড্রফ প্রুফ। নতুন ক্লিয়ার, নাথিং টু হাইড।
স্বাস্থ্যসম্মত বান সাথে সেরা চকোলেটের স্বাদ, এই দুইয়ের অপূর্ব সমন্বয়। অল টাইম চকোলেট বান। অল টাইম বান, ছোট খিদে বড় সমাধান। আসছে 4 ডিসেম্বর, রবি আর দারাজ নিয়ে এলো ফাটাফাটি ফ্রাইডেতে।
And he starts with a wide as Suhail Tanvir. So a lot on those shoulders of Sohail. Can he turn it on as Afridi did with the bat? Now it's the turn with the ball of Sohail.
Yeah, he'll need to use all his experience to ensure that he does not give width to the batters, does not bowl down the leg side, as he has done the very first half. 201st match for Sohail Tanvir. So heaps of experience for him. He runs away. Again down the leg side. Easy pickings for Tilakaratne Dilshan. He's not going to miss out with that, but there is some protection. Just a couple of runs. Could have played it a little finer. I think missed out on that.
Some flowing blades here this evening already. And the skipper says, listen, I'm going to take it to you. Said he would at the toss. Try and restrict the opposition, the select superstars, and then he'd come out and blaze. Well, he's certainly true to his word.
Whoops it away. Now deviating in line for the second time. And this time, the ball reaches the boundary. No chance for the fielder there. That's not very disciplined from the bowler, but Tilakaratne Dilshan is not going to miss out on those easy ones.
Got it wrong big time. Most of this over, in fact. Started with a wide, and he's been into that hip of Dilshan. So good at going across the right-hander is Sohail. Got to get the radar right. He's got to slip in. Bite back in this over. Because of the wide, he's gone for 7 and just 2 legit balls.
That's the line he wants to bowl at. He wants to angle it away. There's a slip standing, waiting for a little bit of a nibble. Tilakaratne Dilshan will be aware of that. He's got that huge amount of experience behind him. A slip, a deep third man, point, cover, extra cover, and mid-off. Those are his figures in the BPL 2015. Didn't start off against Sylhet, got 36 against Kumilla, 20 against Dhaka, 16. Hasn't been amongst the big runs. Got starts. And maybe he's fancying himself today. Quick run, good call. Direct hit might have been interesting. Possibly he's making it quite comfortably in the end. Tamim Iqbal. Yeah, off and running, no problems.
Slight stutter, wasn't there, from Dillers? It's been a night for run-outs here in the Gong. As the crowd get a little bit more animated because the captain's on strike. Going to recheck the guard. Man at deep backward square. Fine leg up.
Pulls it. Makes contact, not as well as you'd have liked. It's just slowing up in the outfield there. See, there's the grass is not fully grown, just stopping there and enabling Rubel Hussain, who's going to make a showing with the ball very soon, to hold it in.
Had to wait a bit longer, didn't he? Quite time at all. Oh, the intentions of Tamim. That's right. Getting on the bong and the gong, it's all on.
He got pushed in the back. Very annoyed. Very annoyed. That's good from Tamim Iqbal. Oh, dear.
দুরন্ত বাইসাইকেল উড়ে চলো দুরন্ত গতিতে।
গ্রিন টি রাইট? তাই তো বলি, স্কিন এত সুন্দর কেন? থ্যাঙ্কস, বাট নর্মাল টি। এখন নিশ্চয় পার্লারে না, ডিরেক্ট পার্টিতে। সবাই তো জেলাস হবেই। রিভাইভ ময়েশ্চারাইজিং লোশন, ময়েশ্চার লক করে ত্বককে রাখে সতেজ, সুন্দর সব সময়। রিভাইভ ময়েশ্চারাইজিং লোশন, লাভ ময়েশ্চার টু আনলক ইউর বিউটি। ধ্যাত, ব্যালেন্স শেষ।
চায়ের চুমুক দে, ব্যালেন্স চলে আসবে।
এখন ইস্পাহানি মির্জাপুর বেস্টের 400 গ্রাম প্যাকে 10 থেকে 50 টাকা পর্যন্ত মোবাইল রিচার্জ ফ্রি। এছাড়া 200 গ্রামের প্রতি প্যাকে 5 টাকা ছাড়। চা মানে লাইফটা ভরপুর। চা মানে ইস্পাহানি মির্জাপুর।
Oh, that's a good delivery from Mohammad Shahid. He's such a good bowler. That angle, just evading the angled bat of Tamim Iqbal. Lovely delivery. That'll put the seed of doubt in his mind as I'm rejoined by Pat Simcox.
Lovely start. That over the first ball, that's what you need.
Charge! Miss! Lucky.
Well, the message is clear from the batsman. No doubt what he's trying to do.
I think he should be a little more selective, Pat. Those are the bikes. Anyone taking 4 wickets or more is going to get one or score a century. I've seen only one, even Lewis, getting a century. Whips it away. Oh, that's terrible. That should have been stopped. I don't know. You've got to be alert on your feet. That's not on.
That's a heartbreaker. It is just, as a bowler, you're looking for a hole somewhere.
That's terrible from the old man. I'm afraid Abdul Razak showing his age there. Just slid it through his legs. Oh dear. And then he threw the ball. I don't know if we're going to get it. And hit the bowler. Oh, it's all happening here. Comedy of errors of all sorts. And I'm sure Abdul Razak is going to walk up and say, sorry, mate, first for missing that ball completely and letting it go through for 4. And then...
Double problem, re. দর্জি যেতে ভুলে গেছি সিরিয়ালের সময় খেলা দেখেছি
এই যে ডাবল প্রবলেমের ডাবল সলিউশন আলপানলিবে ডাবলি
নতুন আলপানলিবে ডাবলি রিচ কফি
Jab. Right. Oh, what's going on here? Now, Rubal Hussain is the culprit this time, so it's happening on either side of the wicket. Sylhet Superstars can't afford to do that. Got to be agile. They've got to be on their feet, alert to what's happening around them.
Well, 112 in 104 balls, when you look at it, get a decent start, you got wickets in hand, you should not feel the heat of the scoreboard. Key is just a couple more of these overs, get it up to 40. Get it to 40 with no loss. One can just go through.
Dilshan just tries to stroke it away as it rears up on him. I think that little bit of an extra bounce, Foxton.
Somewhere in this competition, Dilshan is going to play a hand. Too good a player to keep failing.
Absolutely right. I think he's got all the makings, and in his mind he must be telling himself, look, I'm missing out on opportunities. I'm not giving the team what they deserve from a player like me. Tamim Iqbal pulls it away, doesn't time it, but he does get a run of the last ball of that over, which was the third. It's exactly...
ডাবল প্রবলেম রে দর্জি যেতে ভুলে গেছি সিরিয়ালের সময় খেলা দেখেছি
এই যে ডাবল প্রবলেমের ডাবল সলিউশন আলপানলিবে ডাবলি
নতুন আলপানলিবে ডাবলি রিচ কফি আর স্মুথ ক্রিমের ডাবল লেয়ার আলপানলিবে ডাবলি হৃদয়ের বাঁধনে বাঁধে আলপানলিবে
কিরে বেকার বসে ডিম পাচ্ছিস ডিম না পেরে ক্লিক কর
আছে হাজারো চাকরির অফার ফ্রি বিক্রয় অ্যাপ ডাউনলোড করে বা আজই বিক্রয়.com ভিজিট করে চাকরির আবেদন করুন মুহূর্তে বিক্রয়.com বাংলাদেশের সবচেয়ে বড় মার্কেট প্লেস
আসছে 4 ডিসেম্বর রবি আর দারাজ নিয়ে এলো ফাটাফাটি ফ্রাইডেতে ফাটাফাটি মূল্য ছাড় রবি
ব্যাটারির এই ঝামেলা চান না যারা, তাদের জন্য সিল মেইনটেনেন্স ফ্রি গ্লোব্যাক, যা দীর্ঘস্থায়ী এবং এতে পানি দিতে হয় না কখনোই।
Glowback, the drive within.
Short. Now. Misses out. This was a ball that you could put away. Munawira has got to redeem himself. He was run out earlier. Misunderstanding with his partner. Now, what can he do with the ball? 20 wickets so far in his T20 career. And that's the right way to go about it. Tamim Iqbal has given his team a good start, and not for the first time. This is terrible. And it's Razak the culprit again. Come on, Abdul Razak. No, you've been around the circuits for a while, but you've got to keep focused. Little lethargic, a little... Oh, dear, that's terrible. Tuck round the corner. Good call, good response.
Colours of Chittagong. Down there in the break, I tell you what, the atmosphere is in that middle of that cauldron is electric. It's loud, hazy.
Keeping a shade low. That's the way to go about it. You've had your big overs. Now the slow bowler is on. Ball is keeping a little low. There's a hint of a turn. Just don't play premeditated shots. Just play the ball to its merits. Exactly what these two are doing at the moment. Just reining in that attacking instinct, particularly Tamim Iqbal. As I say, he dances down the wicket. Hits one over the top of mid-on for 4 runs. He's not going to be held back.
Top shot from Tamim. Just felt at some stage he was going to cut loose. It was up, it was full. Not a lot of spin yet because the ball's still new. Once he'd cleared the man, he just had to get it up. Backing himself. 1 left in the over.
That's slashed away, just evading the fielder. An element of risk in that. Ball trickles to the boundary. 4 more to finish off that over. 4 completed. It's...
Sorry.
গানে গানে কাছে আসার দুর্দান্ত মুহূর্ত তৈরি করতে ক্লোজ আপ দিচ্ছে প্রতিটি 145 গ্রাম মেন্থল ফ্রেশের সাথে একটি আকর্ষণীয় ইয়ারফোন ফ্রি।
প্রতিদিন এইভাবে হাজারো মানুষের খুশির সীমা ছাড়াচ্ছে স্বর্ণের ছোঁয়ায়। রবির 39 টাকার গোল্ডেন রিচার্জ অফারে প্রতিদিন প্রতি ঘন্টায় প্রথম 2 জন রিচার্জকারী পাচ্ছেন নিশ্চিত গোল্ড কয়েন। মাত্র 39 টাকার রিচার্জে আজই সুযোগ নিন। রবি।
মচমচে মশলাদার কুরকুরে যা মাতিয়ে তোলে ফ্যামিলি টি টাইম।
মশলায় মাতামাতি, ফুর্তি ফাটাফাটি।
প্রতিজ্ঞার শক্তিতে গড়া বিস ক্লাব সেরা কাঁচামাল দিয়ে তৈরি। বিস ক্লাবের বিস্কুটগুলোতে পাবেন সেরা মান ও সেরা স্বাদের সন্তুষ্টি। বিস ক্লাব, একটি প্রতিজ্ঞা।
শরীরের কোথাও কোথাও প্রয়োজন বেশি সুরক্ষার, তাই মেরিল পেট্রোলিয়াম জেলি, যা একবার ব্যবহারেই আপনার ত্বক প্রতিবার পায় 5টি স্তরের সুরক্ষা। মেরিল পেট্রোলিয়াম জেলি, উজ্জ্বল প্রাণবন্ত ত্বক সবসময়।
Still in the mandatory 6 overs.
Abdul Razak, popularly known as Raj. And first ball gets chunked away for the maximum. This time it's Tilakaratne Dilshan.
Oh, they're loving it. I've seen a lot of these tonight, but they love each one. Played by the home side. Now Dilshan has climbed beyond the act. And he's a clean hitter.
Sure is. Look at his eyes lighting up. It's in his zone. Gets underneath that one. Admires his shot all the way over the ropes. This time on the offside, from the gap. Chase on, but no one's going to stop that.
Top shot from Tilakaratne Dilshan. He just leant back and picked the spot. That's a shot of high class. High class. Easy as you like.
Two of the fastest team 50s have come from the Chittagong Vikings in this BRB BPL, powered by BFL. This is extraordinary. What a riposte to that target, and there's another one. Backward of point. This consulate, Abdul Razak, doesn't know what to do.
Well, early on in the competition, Tilakaratne Dilshan was powered for 6 fours. Somebody felt terrible, and it was him. Well, he's dishing it out now. Got 3.
Was against this team as well, so it's Munawira hit him for those big ones. Now he's getting his own back. Cutting off the pads this time, drifting down leg, and a respite for Abdul Razak.
You can see grimacing there. He missed out on it. Going down leg side, he just had to get a bat on it.
White is the call. Oh dear, once again. The fielding leaves a little to be desired. Not the commitment shown there, particularly as it went past Razak.
Looking for the single. Bowler missed it. Oh, he was late on it. Got the single. Tamim on strike. 1 ball left. 15 off the over already, so he doesn't have to do too much unless it's a poor ball. Doesn't have to look for anything.
Tries to cut it, doesn't make contact. So at last.
সবার সাথে আজীবন 1 পয়সা প্রতি সেকেন্ড। এবার তোমার ফোন বেঁচে থাকবে আজীবন। এয়ারটেল, দেশের সেরা স্মার্টফোন নেটওয়ার্ক।
আগে ঘটনাটা শোন। ধ্যাত, ব্যালেন্স শেষ।
চায়ে চুমুক দে, ব্যালেন্স চলে আসবে।
এখন ইস্পাহানি মির্জাপুর ব্রেসলেট 400 গ্রাম প্যাকে 10 থেকে 50 টাকা পর্যন্ত মোবাইল রিচার্জ ফ্রি। এছাড়া 200 গ্রামের প্রতি প্যাকে 5 টাকা ছাড়। যা মানে লাইফটা ভরপুর। যা মানে ইস্পাহানি মির্জাপুর।
ওদের কি নিজেদের পোশাক নাই?
চল দেখা প্রিয় ভাইরা, নিজের দেশের নিজের পোশাক পরে এগিয়ে চলুন জোরসে। আমার হচ্ছে লুঙ্গি, রপ্তানিতে শীর্ষে, বিশ্বমানের লুঙ্গি।
শুনছো, এটা কিনি? হ্যাঁ। আচ্ছা, এটা আমার।
সব সময় শুধু আরে ভাই, গার্ড দিয়ে সুরক্ষিত শেভ করুন আর যা ইচ্ছে বলুন।
তোমায় দারুণ লাগছে।
আর তোমাকেও।
জিলেট গার্ডের একটা ব্লেড দেয় 7টা শেভ অবধি।
Oh, big appeal. No response from umpire. Now there was a sound.
Everyone on the ground says he hit it. Every single player. But they don't count. The guy that counts is the umpire, and he says he never hit it. Now let's have a good look at this. First ball, premeditated. I think he's a very lucky man to be there.
Yeah, Mushfiqur Rahim thought he had him, and look at the surprise on his face. Can you hear something? A little bit of a woof. Yeah, I thought there was a little bit of a sound there. Shocked, absolutely shocked. I don't believe that. Wow, what's wrong with the umpire? That expression does it all, and not timing it, straight to the fielder.